Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. This video is about the HiDrB.com reviews and why is it gaining popularity in places like United States. As you all know, after the coming up of vaccine, people are willing to get themselves vaccinated as soon as possible, and this is a website which can help you get through the lines easily. So before we start and before we tell you more about it, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative updates and news regularly. So, the HIDRB.com is a place where you can register yourself to get vaccinated quickly, and as the statistic shows, there are more than 500,000 people who have already registered themselves to this service of Dr. B, which is providing them with vaccine that are extra doses left from previous vaccinations drive, or just some left out vaccines that were not used. So as we know that the shelf life of a COVID vaccine is very less, if taken out of the cold storage, it needs to be put into someone and it needs to be used within the several hours of its taking out. So the shelf life is definitely very less, and there are some times where people are not able to show up to their vaccination site in time, or there are delays that happens. So Dr. B promises you to get the waste vaccine which has been left out and the extra shots that have not found an arm to get into, so that people can easily get vaccinated and are more prompt to the whole process of getting vaccination done. So, in this hustle of getting themselves vaccinated, you need to sign up for the Dr. B website, which is the HIDRB.com, and you can easily get in contact with the site, the vaccination site, which is closer to you by giving out some simple details of yours, and you can be easily connected to a doctor and a website and a site by which you can get easily vaccinated. So there are around 60 to 80 people who fail to show up for the mass vaccination in the late January, which had got the staff to throw the vaccine into trash, as the unused vaccine cannot be used after a lot of time, after hours, that after many hours if they had been taken out of the cold storage. But the workers eventually had to get some things done in order to save this vaccine. So there are initiatives like Dr. B that are being taken place these days, so that the left out vaccination does not go in waste and is put into someone. People who are closer to the site and are available for getting a shot done can contact it and find themselves a vaccination program or a vaccination site which are readily providing them with a shot, so that the vaccine is also saved and people are easily able to get themselves vaccinated. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. This website is definitely a place where you should must register, as it is promoting to a cause and also helping you vaccinate easily. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly.